The art of the sciences and the realities. Do you think it's strange how all of a sudden, or not make actually all of a sudden, maybe in the last 10 or 15 years, that more science is coming out explaining a lot of the energy and a lot of the vibrations that we have in the world and how things are made and how things are brought together? And I find it very enlightening how quantum physics is explaining how the law of attraction is actually working. When you can put science behind an energy or a system or whatever we're doing, for a lot of us that are science minded, maybe we're not scientists, but we're science minded and we can understand and believe more when the scientists are actually coming out and saying, we have scientific proof that this works this way. And we have scientific proof that this is coming about because of this. And when you use quantum physics, which I'm very interested in because it explains so much. As everyone knows, I am really into the laws of attraction and the laws of the universe, because I use these laws every day to do things, to build things, and to grow. And when you do that, and when you're that person and you're right there, when you can back it up with science to make it even more realistic and even more real, isn't it easier to understand when someone says the law of attraction, the laws of the universe are backed by quantum physics? And for some people, when they say that, they just goes pew. And if you're one of those people, that's okay, because not all of us are in that vibration. But when you're in the vibration of creating, don't you wonder what is making this happen for you? So when I do that, and I'm in the vibration of creating, back in the day when I first started learning all of this, hold on, I'm trying to spell again, of creating. When I first learned about that the laws of attraction actually had a name, yeah, a name, I was just like flabbergasted, going, really? I had no idea that what I was doing, what I was thinking, what I was feeling had a name, a title, or whatever you want to call it these days. But when I learned that quantum physics was backing this up, and it wasn't even being relayed or talked about very much into the marketplace or even into the public for that matter, it wasn't being spoke about much because, number one, a lot of people still did not believe that the universe could connect us with everything around us and give us what we want. But it is written and it is scripture. It's in the Bible and several different, there's different versions of the Bible. And so it's in several different versions of the Bible that haven't been taken out or rooted out or whatever you want to call it. So when you do that and you look at that, it is given and it is something there and it is legitimate, what happens when you actually use these laws of the universe to your benefit? Because we are all connected. The world is connected, the earth, everything around us, my microphone, my computer, my paper here with notes for you guys, everything is connected. And when you use that connection to grow your own self and to be who you want to be and to use your subconscious to be the catalyst. And we've done a lot of subconscious talk and a lot of subconscious videos that we've done, trainings here in the last year. So what I just want to reiterate again, on top of what we've already talked about before, is, the subconscious mind is like a computer. Our subconscious mind is only programmed with what was put into us, into our minds. But you can change that, and we've gone through this. I'm just going to go over this briefly for anyone out there who's on my team who knows that I'm going to just talk about this briefly here for a second. So you can change how your subconscious works by reprogramming it, and that's simple, because number one, your subconscious again is like a computer. It will not do things, create things for you. That's your creative mind. Again, quantum physics answers all of these questions, and we are so blessed to have this knowledge. But when you look at how quantum physics works and how the brain works, and how the brain is a conduit to receive, accept, and grow. And it does. It grows new pathways, neural pathways every day, constantly. So when you can reprogram your subconscious mind to create and do and be and have what you want, why not do that? Because the subconscious mind cannot create for you. It only will give you the program you have. So in the event that you are wanting to change that, you can actually do that by, as you know, affirmations, visualization, imagination. These are all done repetitively. Anything you do in a repetitive manner, I mean every day, constantly, you have to be redoing, doing, in order for the subconscious mind to grasp onto those thoughts and feelings. Emotion is very critical when you're holding on to these vibrations. So when you do this and you bring it together, make sure you have a lot of emotion, vibration attached to what you are wanting to put in your subconscious mind. Because the subconscious mind can only answer the question that you have for it. Like, for example, this is one we've done before. We've done a whole video series on this one question type. But when you ask your subconscious a question like, how will my life look like with blank in it? Put in what you want, with a house of 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, whatever, whatever it could be. Just whatever you fill in the blank with. When you do that and you ask your subconscious that, you're going to have to ask your subconscious that several times, repeatedly, and it will be searching for the answer. And what happens is, and this is the fluke part of what happens with quantum physics and the laws of attraction and the vibration in the universe. This is where it kind of all gets kind of bumbled up again a little bit and gets confusing. But what happens is, in searching for what you've asked, excuse me, I've been sneezing all morning. Okay, I'm probably going to have one more sneeze, guys. I usually do it 3 in a row. Don't ask me why. But when your subconscious is searching in your memory banks for what you've asked, and you've got the pictures, you've got your imagination going, you've got your vibration going, you've got your affirmations going of what you want, when the subconscious will then, excuse me, I knew 3 in a row, always. What happens is the subconscious is looking in your memory banks for what it is you're asking for. Well, it can't find it because it's not there. So what's going to happen is it's actually going to bring out, hold on just a second. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's actually going to bring out the different pictures you've put in, the different vibrations you've put in of what you want. So what it's going to do is it's going to start searching around for anything in your environment, and your subconscious mind will look to get what you want and to manifest it for you, because that's what it's there to do. Your subconscious is there to make you happy. It's there to make you content. It's there to give you what you want, amongst other things like breathing and walking and talking and seeing and all these fun things. But when you do this and you are in the vibration, quantum physics is there, and it's an energy. Quantum physics is actually explaining to us how this vibration works, because it is a vibration and it is energy that flows through us, from us, around us. And when we do this and we do it from the heart, If your heart brain is always in tune, your heart brain sends the emotion to your subconscious brain, which in tune brings you what you want. So put the pictures you want to create of your life, of what it is maybe you want to do the most. Maybe it's, for example, maybe you want to do a speaking engagement, or you want to hold a seminar or something on an island somewhere, say St. Lucia. You want to hold a seminar there, and you're going to make, let's say, $300,000 in revenue from the holding this seminar for these people. So see it happening, see it there, and feel yourself doing it. Put that in your subconscious, and your subconscious is going to be making it happen for you. You'll be surprised how things will come about. And this is quantum physics, which explains how energy attracts energy. And it attacks and attracts and attaches itself there. So when you allow the laws of the universe to benefit you and to help you to grow and to be that person that you are striving to be all this time, when you allow this to happen for you, oh, sorry about that, you're going to be surprised at the things that will come about for you. Sorry, guys, I'm just having allergies today. I don't know what it is. But know that your subconscious will only answer the questions. So be specific on the questions you ask your subconscious mind. The best way I'm finding out to do is to say, what does my life look like? Or what does my bank account look like? Or what does this month look like for me with blank, 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 whatever you want to put in it. And keep doing it, because if you're new at using the laws of the universe, and if you're new to how quantum physics explains all of this to us in a scientific format, then it may take you a little longer to grasp it and to use it properly. That doesn't mean you can't get started right now, and you can't use the tips and tricks and everything that we talk about here on our videos to help you. Okay? I know this is a quick video today because there's so much on our plates going on that we've just got a little bit of time. But be sure you put a picture of what you want in your subconscious mind. Give it a picture. Use your imagination. Use everything you've got to make your life come forward for you. And there's no reason why you can't. The only one stopping you from being the success you want to be is you. I'm sorry if that hurts anybody's feelings, but the truth is you're the only one stopping you. Okay? So I wish you all the best. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay? I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.